I did lots of night school classes over the years, and one of my favourite classes that I used to attend to was with Jeff the chef. He was a brilliant chef, he really was, and I met lots of friends there. I met Donna, Karen, Tracy, Martin, Marion, just to name a few. We got on really, really well. So this is one of Jeff the chef's recipes, and it's Aubergine Bake. So this is a vegetarian dish. So I've sliced up my aubergines and I've made a mixture of olive oil, parsley, garlic, salt and pepper. Now I've left this to marinate for a couple of hours so that all the garlic and the parsley infuses into the olive oil. I've brushed all over the top of the aubergines, and I'm going to grill these for about 10 minutes till they've gone nice and soft, and then we're going to layer it up in our mason dishes. So we'll cook these off first and then we'll stack our dishes up after. So my aubergines have been grilled under the grill, so they're all nicely cooked. So I'm going to get my mason dish and I'm going to build up my aubergine bake. So on the bottom I'm going to put aubergine, and then over the top is some tinned tomatoes, then some breadcrumbs. Now I've got a nice little chopper here, got it from Asda, cheap as chips, wasn't dear. And I've just got the crust, because nobody eats the crusts of bread in our house, so I've got the crust of bread. I'm going to layer that over the top. Mozzarella cheese, a couple of slices, and the recipe is Parmesan cheese, but I haven't got any, so I'll just use any cheese. Still tastes just as good. We layer that up again. So it's aubergine, tomatoes, and then breadcrumbs, now this is just one crust. The mozzarella and the cheese, there you go. I'm going to bake that in the oven on 180 for about 20 to 30 minutes, and it'll be all nice and crunchy on the top. So my aubergine bakes had about 20 minutes, 30 minutes in the oven, and I'm going to take it out now so we can try it. Very hot. So there's my aubergine bake. Might be too hot for me to lift up. Nice cheesy top on, delicious, and I'm going to serve that with some broccoli. A nice alternative from meat. Enjoy.